Hello guys, good morning. For today's video ay i-update ko kayo sa ating goldfish. We were updating the goldfish. So dito, ito yung parents nitong fry baby goldfish, almost 1 month old. Tsaka dun pa, mostly colored. So this one, separate na siya sa koi. Yung malaking goldfish lang yung male, yung long tail, tong short tail nandito. Chini-chase kasi sila when they have eggs, chini-chase sila ng mga male na goldfish, tapos akalain ng koi na pagkain, kaya namamatay yung female na mga goldfish ko. Kaya ito na lang ang temporary kasi hindi pa ko gagawa ko doon sa kabila ng another tub. So this one, ito na yung almost 1 month. So ito yung late grower na goldfish. Ito yung mga small, but now medyo lumaki na sila. So this one is the 60 pieces colored. Meron ng malaki dito, ayan, sample ng malaki, ayan. So magwa 1 month na to. Almost 1 month na. Ilang days na lang, 1 month na to, mga 4 days, 5 days, 1 month na to. So ayan guys, sobrang dami nila guys. So dito, they are 60 pieces and we feed them mosquito larvae. So sobrang dami nila, kaya ito guys is short tail to guys, pero long body yata. Hindi pa sure kasi hindi pa naman lumaki. Good ba? Yun. Split tail, short tail, red head. Hopefully na maliwat, magmana sa male na blue base. Gaya no. Ito yung male na nandun. Red head tapos blue base. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Saan yun? So ayan guys, so dito naman tayo. Ayan, so 60 pieces. Meron din ito guys, so merong maganda. Ito yan, maganda ito guys. Ayan, short body guys. Pero ito, ewan ko kung short tail, long tail, hindi pa ma-determine. Kaso nasubrahan ng split. Okay lang pala. Tiger. Ayan guys, ang ganda guys, may win. Tiger pala to guys. Hopefully short tail to or long mid tail lang, fights na. Ayan, tiger, kaliko. Meron din tayong guys, blue base na red head. So hulihin ko yung blue base na red head siya. Ito guys, so red head blue base. Okay.